Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some of the new Daken locks available exclusively through Holman. Let's get into it. All right, what we have here for the very first time in the US market are Daken brand locks that are being distributed exclusively through Holman. So Holman's a big van and truck equipment manufacturer here in the US, been around for a long time, formerly known as Cargo Master, but they just started bringing in some locks from the European market called Daken locks. And we kind of have three different versions of these locks I want to show you. It's kind of in the good, better, best range, if you will. Over here we have our Saturn series locks, and over here we're going to have our Blackstone lock. And these are great for securing your cargo van, preventing theft. There's a lot of other popular locks out there on the market. This is a new solution that has some unique features that you might find interesting for protecting your fleet. So our first lock over here is going to be the Saturn Go. This is going to be on the lower end. This is going to be that good lock. You can see it is here in a white finish. Go ahead and open this up. You can get this in two lock, or I believe one lock. Two locks can be the most popular. You're gonna need one lock for the side door and then one for the rear door. As I open this up, you can see we do have a nice finish. This is made of, I don't know how to pronounce this, so don't destroy me in the comments on this, but it's Zamak or Zamak, Z-A-M-A-K. It's essentially a zinc alloy that resists rust, but it is not gonna be a stainless product like these two are. This is again, Zamak, that zinc alloy. But we do have this painted in kind of this grayish white color right here. We do have our brackets back here. This is gonna be about a 15-minute install on your van. Now you're gonna get a set of 2 keys per lock. So if you get a 3-lock kit, you're gonna get 6. If you get a 2-lock kit, it's gonna be 4. All gonna be key to like. These are kind of a specialty key. It reminds me of what a lot of the OEs are doing now with their keys. If your vehicle comes with a key, kind of that almost inset style key like that. So in the box right here, we're going to have a code on the back of your manual. Sometimes it comes on a key card that's going to be your particular keying for your locks. And so if you need to get a replacement or you lose your key or something like that, as long as you have your code, you can get replacement locks. So all the components that you're going to get in this kit, obviously your 2 locks like this, your keys, your installation hardware. It looks like there are some small little plus nuts here. Look like they might be like an M4, I'm not sure. So you want to make sure that you do have a plus nut installation tool for installing these on your van. This is going to involve some drilling into the van body to attach these to the doors and to the body of the van. Looks like we do have some rubber gaskets here, and then some, I think these might be aluminum or stainless, maybe that same material, backing plates. And we have a nice little sticker mounting template, so you know exactly where those holes are going to be. You're not going to have to do any measurements on your own. Just stick this on the door, make your drills, take it off, and install the locks. So this is that first lock. Again, this is the Saturn Go. Now let's take a look at the Saturn Evo. This is going to be a stainless steel lock. Again, this is going to be our mid-range lock that you can get from Daken. Again, we're going to have our mounting template stickers for applying to the door and the wall of the van for installation. Again, we're going to have installation guide right here. Now these are offered in like 6 or 7 different languages, so it is a thick booklet, but only about a 1/7 of it is going to be applicable for you. Again, we have our keys right here. Looks like we do have our installation hardware, some bolts, some more bolts. Then we're going to have our actual locks. Again, this is a stainless steel material. We have our 2 locks right here in a stainless steel finish. We're going to have our little foam gaskets right here that are going to line up with all of our holes. And again, our locking mechanism. So again, this is going to be that mid-range. This is going to be great for maybe a DIY person out there, or one-man van operation, or maybe you've got a small fleet. You're not particularly worried about your doors always being secured every time the door gets shut. You trust your operators and your guys out there making service calls to secure their van up anytime that it needs to be. So this is gonna be a great option. So this Blackstone is really gonna be great for fleets or larger fleets, or maybe you have sensitive operations, or maybe your last mile delivery or couriers or whatever it may be. This is going to be the top of the line lock that you can get. You can get it in 2 different options. You can get it in just a slam lock, which basically means every time that door shuts, it's locked and you need to use a key to get in the van each time. You can also get it in what they call the combo, or essentially it's going to be a slam lock mode, and then you can put it in a deadlock mode. So essentially the lock's disengaged, you can open and close the doors as much as you want, and then you just need to turn it back into that slam lock mode to lock those doors. So if you want the option to put it in a deadlock mode, go with the combo. If you want to make sure that door is locked every time it gets shut, go with the slam lock mode. Now, as I look at these locks right here, we do have this nice black finish in it. Again, this is going to be stainless steel. It's going to resist that rust and corrosion. All of your hardware in here as well is going to be that same material as well. You can see right here, we do have our little wire. This is going to be attached to your emergency release. So if you're inside the van, and again, you have that in slam lock mode, every time you get in and out or get into the van, you need that key to unlock it. Well, what happens if you're inside the van and it's locked? There is this release cable so you can open that door from the inside. Now in here, we do have our keys. And again, these are gonna be that same OEM quality key. And then they do provide you with a key card for you to keep in your glove box or somewhere safe. So if you do lose a key, you lock it inside the van, whatever it may be, you can get a replacement and know what type of keying your locks use. Do 2 keys per lock. We're gonna have all of our hardware here. This is either gonna be stainless or galvanized. This is your emergency release mechanism. Opening that lock from the inside. You're just gonna have it on one of the doors. I'm not sure if they recommend it on the sliding door or the rear door, but you're just gonna have this on one of your doors for getting in and out. Some more hardware here. We have some type of a mounting bracket, mounting plate, foam gaskets, some more. Looks like we do have a little mounting sticker maybe. The plate here. Full installation guide. Again, this does look kind of thick, but there are like 7 languages in here. And they do have some US specific mounting directions for basically where on the door you want to mount this or where it's recommended to mount it. And then we're going to have our mounting sticker. So this is actually just for one of these locks. We have another box in here for the other side. So again, 3 locks, good, better, best. This is gonna be the automatic locking system. If you wanna make sure that door is locked every time you shut the door, that slam lock mode, you wanna go with the Blackstone. This is gonna be the premium option. Middle range here is going to be the Saturn Evo. This is gonna give you that stainless steel, anti-rust, corrosion resistant, and all of that. And then over here, if you need your basic lock, this is gonna be the Saturn Go, made of that Zamic material, anti-corrosion and all that still. Not gonna give you that automatic door lock, but is going to give you some nice security for your van. Now, if you're looking for these Daken locks from Holman, you can get it at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.